Hello, welcome to your next tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to be learning about conditional operators. We're going to keep this math file with us because we'll probably add to it and keep this math.h. You can close out of them for now and then just double click on that one if you want to look at it or whatever. So in our main file we're going to be learning about conditional operators. What happens if this is true, or what happens if that is true, or what happens while something else is happening. So, yeah, conditional operators, if you remember from Java, all you have to do is say, okay, if something is true, or if something is true, basically, or something is false sometimes, do this. For instance, if blah equals 32, or 23, sorry, then cout it equals 20, no, equals 20, oh, okay, equals 23, I'm so smart. Okay, and notice one thing else. You're going to run this and it will give you an error, or perhaps not. Let me run this again. Oh, okay, in Java that's going to give you an error. Notice something, 32 plus 65 does not equal 23, but it still does this. And why is that? Well, let me show you. If you have this, what we will do in Java, this won't happen. In C++ it's a little different. In Java they say, okay, you can't do this, there's only one equal sign. In C++ it's like, okay, blah equals 23, let's make it equal to 23. Now let's check it. Okay, blah does equal 23, let's do this. In Java, it'd be like, okay, blah equals 20. Nope, you can't have a declaration in here. To avoid that problem, you have to have a double equal sign. And then you run it and it'll see, okay, it doesn't say that. Recaps, again, do that. It'll say, it equals 23, I'm so smart, even though it doesn't. Because again, it's saying, if, let's make blah equal 23 again. If blah equals 23, oh, it does, cout, whatever. And it acts really stupid. Always have double equal signs in these conditional operators. If you ever want to see if something is true or not, these always have double. Something else you can do is, if you wanted like a int counter, right? This is pretty important. You guys will need to know what this is. You can say while counter is less than 10, you know, and then do counter plus plus, which will increment counter, so every time counter adds to 1, and then cout counter, I don't know, yogurts left. Okay, that is really weird. I don't know why I did that. And then another thing is, you're going to have to declare this to 0. It already does that for you, but it's good programming to know, okay, just set it to 0. And it'll say 0 yogurts left, 1 yogurts left, 2 yogurts. Okay, that makes no sense. If we were to do int counter equals 10 and while it's less, notice how nothing happens, you know. Or no, wait, while counter is greater than 10, you know, counter is 10. So if you were to do something like that, notice it's going on forever and ever and ever. That's something to be wary of when you do while counters, because you might have an error that will make it go on forever and it will never end. So it's 10 and then it adds 11, 12, 13, and it goes on forever. Let's say we wanted a downward counter. So while equals 0. You could also have it minus, so decrement. And then you'll see, okay, this makes a little bit more sense. 10 yogurts left, 9 yogurts left, 8 yogurts left. That's kind of a tongue twister. It's pretty simple. And until, I don't know, I guess that's your tutorial for now. Practice with if and while counters, and next tutorial will be dealing with booleans. How much you guys love those, I'm sure. Until then, see you later.